Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab Side-by-Side, and today we're really excited to show you our Honda Talon high clearance lower control arm kit. So we've been working on these lower control arms for quite some time. We've got 2 full seasons of grueling cross-country racing throughout the Midwest, going through many different revisions and design improvements on what you see here in front of us. What we have here is our sheet metal box style high clearance lower control arms for the 2019 to current Honda Talon X and R model. One of the biggest things you're probably wondering is why did we go to a sheet metal box design over your typical tubular arched A-arms like you see most other offerings on the market today? Well, like most others, we started with a tubular steel design, but after many revisions and FEA stress tests, we learned very quickly that this was not the answer to offer the strongest, most durable lower control arm for the Honda Talon. The largest benefit to the high clearance lower control arm, as you can see behind me here on this machine, we have an R model, and a factory design A-arm is straight tube from the lower ball joint to the chassis. Looking at this machine at ride height, we've got a flat design going out as far as we can and then arching down to the bottom. Much better clearance in off-roading, whether it be rocks, trails, crossing logs, getting that additional ground clearance not only at the lowest point, but also across the whole width of the design is one of the biggest benefits over the factory design. Constructed of 11 gauge sheet metal, laser cut and CNC bent in-house on our precision Trump sheet metal equipment, and completely TIG welded end to end by our professional welders. We strategically placed internal bracing and gussets throughout the whole design of the A-arm. As you can see here in this top view, we've got many different areas of stitch weld, and this is where there's an internal brace spanning the length, both angles and straight across from end to end on the whole design of the A-arm. Those are not just randomly placed. We learned the best locations and the best angles to add this bracing via the FEA strength analysis test. At the bottom of our A-arm, we have our heavy-duty steel block, which has a precision machine tapered bore that accepts the OEM lower ball joint and gives us a robust amount of weld joint connection to the main section of the box design, which eliminates any chance of separation from the ball joint mount in the case of an extreme impact. At the frame side of our A-arm, we have our precision machined bushing tube, which connects to the chassis using the OEM hardware. Now, the bushing material is another area we spent time on to determine the toughest and longest lasting material possible. Our bushings are serviceable, unlike OEM, and machined from nioil, which has extremely low moisture absorption and is self-lubricating, which offers enhanced wear properties and less friction versus other grades of nylon and plastic. A zinc-coated CNC machined sleeve inside the bushing provides a wear point to the mounting bolt between the bushing and the bolt. To offer extended lifespan to the bushing, we've included a low-profile needle-type greaser to help flush out water and debris from inside the bushing and sleeve. And to finish off our Honda Talon boxed A-arms, we do all of our powder coating here in-house at WCFab Side-by-Side. Our A-arms receive a zinc primer base coat for additional corrosion and abrasion resistance, and that's topped off with a powder coat finish available in all of your popular Honda Talon colors, as well as any custom color you may choose. So that wraps up our box style lower A-arm kit for the Honda Talon. They're all done in-house. We take great pride in all of our product being designed, tested, and manufactured here in the United States. So feel free to ask any questions you may have below. Thanks a lot for watching.